Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I will walk you through how to order a product directly from Logitech's official website. Whether you are using your phone or computer, the process is simple and secure, so let's dive in. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine, and go to www.logitech.com. Hit search. So this is the official site for Logitech products worldwide. Now tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on My Account. So now you're logged into your account. Here you can either browse by category like mice, keyboards, webcams or more, or tap the search icon at the top and type in the name of the product you are looking for. I will go with keyboard. Hit search. Explore as much as you want, and once you find the product you want, tap on it to view full details like features, specs, reviews and price. I'll go with this one. Now scroll down and tap the Add to Cart button. A pop-up or sidebar will confirm the items added. Tap on Checkout. Now here enter your shipping information like your name, address, postal code, email address and contact number. Double check to avoid any errors. And then choose your payment method. Logitech usually supports debit credit cards, PayPal and sometimes Apple Pay depending on your reason. Finally, review your order summary, and when everything looks good, tap Pay and place order. You will get a confirmation message and email right after. You can track your shipment through the tracking link sent to your email or check your order status from your Logitech account dashboard. And that's how you easily order a product from Logitech's official website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech how-tos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.